Hi, my name is Campbell, and here with me is Bryan Rhodunda. We are currently students at Flatiron School in Atlanta for coding boot camp. This is our Mod2 project that we created and designed together, and we would like to show it off to everyone because we are very proud of it. We built this web application with Ruby, HTML, and CSS. And with Ruby, we use Rails and we use a lot of Active Record. And now we'll show you a walkthrough with our website. So we'll go ahead and create a new user. You can also log in if you already have a user. And we have validation, so unless you're logged in, you're not going to be able to access any of our website. So let's create the goat. He's in Tampa Bay now. Excellent. And if all of the fields aren't filled out, you'll be redirected to this form. And also, if the username is already taken, you will also be redirected to this form. All right, so since everything went through and the username was not taken and all the fields were filled out correctly, we are brought here to the show page. Here on the left, we have three columns. We have a personal info column, a platform column, and a game platform, or game column. And then up at the top, we have navigation buttons. We have the username right here, and then we have a logout button. And then Bryan, if you want to tell them about games and platforms, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, so if we go up to the nav bar right up at the top, click on games. This redirects you to a page that shows all the games we have. You can see stats like best game, worst game, longest game, shortest game, oldest game, and newest game. And if you scroll down a little bit, we can see different attributes about each game: release date, completion time. And if you want to click on any random game, that will redirect you to that game's index page. So obviously you can see it's blank because there's no data in the database right now. We can go back to platforms. And here's all the platforms that are offered. We can click on any of those to see the stats about that specific platform. One member. And now let's go back to the homepage. So you can add a platform to your account by clicking Add Platform. Let's go ahead and add Xbox 360. Cool. Now you can see it displays in own platforms. And you can add any games. So if you click on Add Games, let's add Mario Kart 64. Up for trade if you want it to be available for trade. And you can remove any of the platforms or games you've added. So let's demonstrate that. We only have one platform. And now it's not there. Remove the game. Just like magic. Okay, Gene, if you want to talk about the trades.
All right, so we'll go ahead and add another platform just to show you, and add a couple to show how they all work real quick after Bryan did a great explanation of how that works. All right, cool. So we have two platforms here, and then now we have three games added. As you see, we have the title of the game in the collection, and then we also have up for trade, and we have a statement saying whether or not it's up for trade or not. Right now, you can see this one is not at the moment, and then down here in the next two, we say yes, let's trade. If we want to change the status, we can do that at any moment by clicking this button right underneath that title that corresponds. And as you can see, if we go back, yes, let's trade. And if we wanted to take this one off because we like that game and we don't want to trade anymore, not at the moment. So as Bryan was saying, we also have a trade page, which is up here at available trades. This shows our top gamer, which is the gamer that owns the most games currently. And then these are the name of the users that are currently have games available for trade. We have Tom Brady, which is us, and then we have LeBron James. Let's say we want LeBron James Hitman Absolution. We'll click that. Come down here and you'll see LeBron James' name. Click that. And then we will select one of our games that we would like to trade him. Let's give him Minecraft because we don't like that anymore. Trade game. As you notice, we'll come down here. We now have Hitman Absolution. And as default, it is set to not at the moment that we do not want to trade it because we just got that game. Why do we want to trade a game that we just got? Wouldn't make sense. So, and that's pretty much our website so far. Obviously, you see there's a lot of query methods everywhere. You can see counts and all kinds of stuff. And you notice on our game page we had some analytics. But you can also edit the info here and destroy your account here. But that's our website. And we also have sessions. So if we exit out of the browser and come back, it will still know who we are. As you can see, we still have access to the game page. Right back here, still Tom Brady. Let's log out. Let's say we want to go back to the game page. Can't access it anymore because we're not logged in. But that's our project. Thank you for watching. And it took us we started Monday and today's Friday. It took us about 5 days to complete this project. We're very proud of it. And we both worked very hard on it. And yeah, is there anything else you want to say, Bryan?
I think that's it. We covered it all.
All right. Thank you all for watching and hope you enjoyed.